what's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to apply for a national insurance number in the UK on e-visa. So here's the first step. You'll need to access the gov.uk application website and we have the link in the description below. Scroll down to the page and click on the apply button to start the process. Then next you'll need to answer the initial questions such as have you applied before or are you looking for work. Then next enter your full name, gender, nationality and date of birth. Go ahead and also enter the date you first moved to the UK or your arrival date. Then provide your current UK address and confirm that the letter can be sent there. Then provide your email address and your mobile number for confirmation and follow-up. Then next you'll need to confirm you have a passport and enter your passport number. Go ahead and also confirm if you have a visa to live and work in the UK. Now, when asked about a visa sticker on your passport, you can select no. This is a key difference for e-visa holders. Now, when asked if you have a residence card, you can select no. Now here's a crucial step. When asked for a certificate of application or reference number from the UK Home Office, select yes and enter the unique UK VI reference number you received in the email when your e-visa was granted. Your application will not proceed without this reference number. Then when all of this is done, carefully check all the information on the check your answers page. Tick the box to confirm that you have read and understood the information and accept and send to submit your application. Your national insurance number should arrive as a letter at your confirmed UK address within approximately 3 to 4 weeks. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to apply for a national insurance number in the UK on e-visa.